Ladies and gentlemen, this is Darcy Gondaga, CEO at Credo Media. It's a pleasure for me to be here live in Atlanta right now to announce for the first time ever my first English workshop for the last 7 years. I've been traveling in the last 4 continents and all around the French world to teach people how to monetize their brand globally. There's a few people who can really teach the way I teach because most people are not bilingual, most people never travel, never have business outside the United States, never open bank account outside the United States. How to set up your brand globally. So it will be a pleasure for me live from Houston, Texas, April 28th from 7 to 9. I just invite you, come, click the link below to this workshop and I will break down with you the 5 different keys, elements that you need to build your brand and monetize it globally. And of course, I have my book, Before You Come to America. Think like an immigrant. Think like an immigrant, man. Think like an immigrant is like / think like an entrepreneur. Because as an immigrant, you learn how to start everything from scratch. Somebody right now say, hey, Darcy, I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't have an Instagram. I don't have a podcast. How I'm going to be able to position myself online to go and reach people around the world? I was in Paris, France just a few weeks ago, and I was teaching people how to really do the same thing in French. I do the same thing in English. So that's exclusive from a global entrepreneur. We got receipt. So do whatever you have to do to join me live in Houston, Texas for my book release, for my workshop, and get my online course with an exclusive deal you will never be able to miss. Let's see each other in Houston, Texas. Bye.